Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a dance tutorial of Megan's Trainers No, and it's a learner class from 1 Million Dance Studio. I'll say the difficulty for this tutorial, choreography is probably a 5 out of 10, so everyone at home can do it, and even if you are an advanced dancer, you can still learn it. You can just speed it up a little bit. Don't have to listen to me just explain it very slowly. But yeah, this is perfect for all the beginners, dancers at home. So yeah, let's get started. I really like this dance and it's really fun. So I'm really excited to teach you guys. And before we start, just make sure to give this video a like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I'm going to post more learner classes this week. I'm going to post it every 2 days. So I learned the whole choreography in 30 minutes. It was just a challenge to challenge myself to learn it quicker and see how I did. So yeah, if you guys want to check that out, the link is down below as well. And yeah, let's go to the tutorial. So yeah, this is part 1 of the video and let's get into it. Alright, there's mirror, so this is your left and this is your right. Alright, from the beginning, the music starts, no, no, no. I to the no, no, no. And then from here, all my ladies, listen up. And then you go ta, ta, ta. Okay, let's try that from here first. So we're gonna go step on our left, and we're gonna go pull, pull, and we're just gonna slide our right leg. And then from here, we're gonna go wave, wave. So your chest is just gonna come up and down, up and down. Okay, so let's try it again. So this pull, and then from here, just wave, wave. Okay, from here, we're gonna go step on our right leg first, and just open it up. And then from here, the music goes ta, ta, ta. Okay, from here, our hand is just gonna roll up. And then when we go up to here, we're just gonna go drop. Okay, let's do that again. So from here, roll, roll, ta, ta, ta. Okay, from here, make sure that your chest is up. So just have this position of like arch back. And from here, you're just gonna relax a little bit. And just hips, hips. So hips is just gonna come up, down, down. Okay, so from here. So let's start from the pull. So from here, after ta, 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 you're gonna go stay here for a little bit. And then you're gonna go hips, hips. Okay, so from here, the lyrics goes. All my ladies, listen up. Ta, 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 if my boy ain't giving up. Okay, so this giving up. Okay, from here, just gonna go step and make sure that there's a bounce to it. So from here, we're gonna go hips, hips, and we're gonna go step on your left, step on your right, and you're just gonna go grab and grab and grab and grab and make sure that your body go slightly to the front, so it's not straight. Your body's gonna go to the front. So from here, just grab and grab and. Okay, so just add a little bounce to it. Okay, from here, okay, after ta, 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 and then hold a little hips, hips. From here, this step and. Okay, from here, we're gonna go whoop. So it's just gonna go around your head, and from here, you're gonna go ta and. Okay, let's try that again. Around your head, so your hips is gonna go around, and from here, ta and. So there's like grab and. So you're gonna go over here to your waist, and this one, ta, ta, ta. I want your head to go smack, okay, from here, and then just hips, hips. So like just maybe look at your hip a little, boom, boom, like a little bit sassy, and then from here, this bounce, and from here, whip, just more powerful, boom, and from here, ta, ta. Okay, from here, after grab, and you're gonna go boom, boom. So your head is just gonna tilt to your left, and then tilt to your left. Okay, so boom, boom. Okay, from here, let's try that again. We're across, so after round your hips, and grab over here. We're gonna go push and push. So you're just gonna go step on your left and step on your right. From here, I want your head to just go to the left and go to your right. Okay, from here, your left leg is gonna go step behind. And when you step, your head is gonna come up, and I want your whole body to come up as well. So there's ha. From here, your head is up, and then you're gonna come back down. So just step back in your left leg. Alright, so from here, let's try that again. So there's round, and from here, this grab and this push, and from here, this back and ta. Okay, so from here, this is gonna be the walk, walk. Okay, so let's try that again from the top. 5, na na na, na na na, no no no. All my ladies, listen up. Ta ta ta, and that boy ain't giving up. Ta and whip, ta and push, push and back and down. My boy's like back. My boy's like back. Okay, so yeah. Okay, all right. I want to do the count for you guys. So from here. Just make sure, so from here, the ta ta ta, from here, I don't want you guys to have just loose hands. So don't do like ta ta ta, and then just ta ta, you know, put the energy in your hand. So this is ta ta ta. So make sure that you hold this figure, and then pa, pa. Okay, so yeah, this ta ta ta. So this ta ta ta, and pa, ta. Okay, so let's try that again. So this ta ta ta, from here, pa, pa. Okay, let's try it again from the top. We're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and pull, and wave, and ta ta ta, and hips, and grab, and whip, hold, grab, and push, and back, down. Okay, so from here, there's part 2, and if you guys want to do it with slow music, this one is not too fast, so I'll maybe put a 60% and then 75% and then 100% in my dance cover video. So you guys can follow the mirrored video and just practice with the slow music again and again. Once you're comfortable, then go to the full speed and yeah, just do you. You know, like this song is so much fun. You can add so much of your personality in there. Part 2, when you come down here, you're gonna start walking. You're gonna go ta, ta, and pa. Open it up. Okay, so from here, let's try that again. So down, you're gonna start with your right leg. You're gonna go walk, 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 and open. Okay. I just don't want to step too close to the camera. Okay, so from here, when you come up, so yeah, go low with your hair down, and when you come up, you just flip and back up. All right. Okay, from here, you're gonna go walk left, walk right, and you're gonna go right in front. So your head is just gonna go no. Okay. Okay. So after right, left, no, you're gonna come back with your right leg. You're gonna go throw some money out, and from here you're gonna go step back, and from here you're gonna go cross. Okay. Let's try that again. We're gonna go down. We're gonna count 1, 2, no, sign and ta ta. Okay. Let's try that again. Down and just walk, walk, no, sign and ta ta. Time. We're gonna go walk, walk, ta, and pa pa. Okay. Let's try that one last time. We're gonna go up, walk, walk. You're gonna look, and from here you're gonna step another one, and then down, up. Okay, you're gonna go for a cross over here. Okay, from here. Let's try that again. From here, you're gonna go around your head, and you're gonna go ta. Okay, let's try that again. So this, your hand is gonna go around and pa over here. So your hips are gonna go from the left to right. You're gonna bend a little as well. From here, around and pa. Okay, let's try that again. This, around and pa. Let's try that one more time. You're gonna go around your head and pa. From here, you're gonna go look back to the front, and you're gonna go no, no. So you're gonna move your head, no, no. All right, let's try that again. No, okay. There's just no space. From here, you're gonna come up, walk, walk, no, side and ta, cross. From here, you're gonna go around, pa, and then look back to the front. You go no, no. Okay. You're gonna go hips and hips. So your hips is just gonna go to the right and right, right and right. Right and right. Okay, so from here. Okay, so from here, your head, no, no. Your head is just gonna come up, down. From here, you're gonna go grab up all the way. Ta. Okay, let's try that again from here. So there's boom, boom, and. Let's try that again. There's boom, boom, and. So there's coming up and flick. Okay, coming up and flick. Coming up and flick. Let's try that again. So there's hips, hips, and flick. Your hand is just coming down. So from here, ta, no, no. Your hand is just gonna go down and pa. Okay, so just coming up from down, grab it, and then from here, just pull it up, and then just flick. Like from here, your legs is gonna go right, left, and then come up with your left leg, ta and ta. So let's try that again, ta and ta, ta and ta. Your hand is gonna go ta and ta, ta and ta. So your hand is just touching, and then come up to your head. Okay, from here, let's try that all over together. So from here, we're gonna go cross and around, ta, look, no, no. From here, you're gonna go up and flick. From here, ta and ta, ta and ta. Let's try it one more time. From here, you're gonna go cross and around, ta, look, no, no. From here, grab, up and ta, 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 ta. From here. So from here, this is quite powerful actually. So there's ta and ta, ta and ta, ta and ta, ta and ta. So make sure that your hips is up, ta and up and up and up and up. Okay, from here, you're gonna go step on your right and make sure that you bounce a little bit. So you're gonna go point out. From here, you're gonna go point in. From here is only your right hand. You're gonna go bounce, bounce. Okay, from here, let's try that again. From here, there's ta and ta, ta and ta. From here, you're gonna go point both hands close together, right, left, bounce, bounce, and point. And from here, your hand is just gonna come down and up. And you're gonna go pick up your right leg. So there's da 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 da, no, 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 boom. Okay, from here, there's up and up, tap, kick, kick, tick, 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 tick. This point and tap and over and up. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, so from here, this is up. So from here, this is up and up, flip, tap, 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 tap. Point and tap, tap, down and up. Okay, let's try it again from here. From here, this is gonna be walk, walk, look, and no, tap and over, pa, head, head. From here, just grab, grab, tap, 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 bounce, bounce, and point, down and up. Okay. So yeah, that's part 2. Okay, let's try part 1 and part 2 all together. So from the top, this is pull. Okay, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and pull. 2 and wave, wave and ta ta ta. And hips, hips and grab and round and ta ta. Push, push and back, down and walk, walk, no and sign and cross, around, ta, look, no, no. This grab, grab and ta 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 ta. This bound, point and ta ta, over, up. Okay, let's try it again. From the top, we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. All my ladies, listen up. Ta ta ta. Ain't none giving up. Lick your lips and swing your hips, and all you gotta say is my name is no, my sign is no. You gotta let it go. From here, got to let it go. Da 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 da. From here, da 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 da. No, no, no. Okay, it's hard to sing and dance at the same time, but you guys get the idea. And okay, I'll do the count again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and ta. Okay, so from here. So that's the end of part 2, and let's start with part 3.
If you find this tutorial helpful, please support me on Ko-Fi. You can buy your girl a cup of coffee. I do love a good coffee, and it'll just keep me dancing all day. So yeah, or any donation is very appreciated. Thank you so much. The link is down below in my bio. And thank you again, and let's get back to the tutorial.
From here, ta and ta. So it's just 2 hip movement. Boom and ta. Okay, so your hand is coming all the way down, up, and your hand is gonna come here. So from here, after na to the no, 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 and then hips from here, you're gonna go another one. Boom. So your hand is going up and over here, and from here we're gonna go turn your weight back. Boom, boom. Okay, so your leg is just gonna go step back and step back. All right, let's try that again. Out and here, and then over, over. So your hand is just touching your over, over. From here, you're gonna go step on your right. You're gonna go push and push. Okay, almost there, we're almost done. Okay, so let's try that again from the beginning of top, the beginning of part 3. So we're gonna go na to the no, 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 over and hips. From here, you're gonna go back, and you're gonna go push and push. So yeah, when you push, I want you to really say like, nah, I'm not interested, you know, boom. Okay, from here. Okay, so this is almost the part where we go down on the floor. Okay, so from here, you're gonna go hips to your right, to your left, and step again to the right, to the left. From here, when we step to the right, we're gonna come up to your left, and from here we're gonna bounce back. So there's not like another hips one. Okay, so from here, there's step on your right. From here, you're gonna go like hit the point, and you're gonna go bounce back, and from here you're gonna go hips, and then to the head. From here, you're gonna do a hair whip. Okay, so yeah, let's try that again with the hips. Okay, so 2 of this, and then from here we're gonna come back up, and then hair whip. Okay, let's try that again. Hopefully you guys can see the difference. Okay, so from here, there's step, and from here, there's bounce back, boom, and then hair flip. Okay, so a hair flip over here, and from here, you're gonna go touch your shoulder, and all the way down here. You're gonna come down here. From here, you're gonna go ta and. Okay, so you're just gonna use your hand. From here, you're gonna slide your right leg, and down. From here, your hand is gonna go push your right leg and back. Left leg, sorry. So push and back. From here, you're gonna go up. Okay, so this ta and ta, and pa, pa, pa. Okay, so yeah, that's the end of the tutorial. That's the end of the choreography. Okay, let's try it again. So we're gonna go ta, 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 ta. Da, 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 no, no, no. Out and hips and back, and push and hips, and down, up and back here, and hair flip and down. From here, you're gonna go whoop, ta, and boom, and okay. No, 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 and then dun, dun, dun. So yeah, that's the music. Dun, dun, no, this no, 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 dun, dun, dun. Yeah, that's the music over there. Okay, let's try it again. Maybe from part 2 and then part 3. Okay, so from here, we're gonna go walk, walk, no. Side is no, over, pa, and no, no. From here, you're gonna go ta, ta, flip, ta, 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 ta. Na to the no, no, no. Over, ta, and back, and push, and hips, and over, and ta, and hair flip, and down. You're gonna go slide, And if you guys want to do it with slow music, this song is not too fast, so I'll maybe put a 60% and then 75% and then 100% in my dance cover video. So you guys can follow the mirrored video and just practice with the slow music again and again. Once you're comfortable, then go to the full speed, and yeah, just do you. You know, like this song is so much fun. You can add so much of your personality in there. And I really enjoy teaching it to you guys, so hopefully you guys can tag me in your dance cover on Instagram or YouTube. I'll try to look through all of them and give you guys some advice as well, or just give you guys some appreciation for your dance progress, that you are actually doing this at home, taking your time and learning the choreography. Hope you guys are having a good day, have fun with this choreography, and just keep dancing. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.